Hi shrimps! I'm going to teach you a new song today, and it's one that I have actually made up. It's all about sharks. Now in another video, I hope you've watched it and joined in, I was singing Baby Shark, which is great fun. Lots of actions to join in along with. And this song is all about 5 little sharks. But before we go on to learning this song, I thought we'd practice just rolling out our numbers, our counting. So we're going to roll out 10 today. So get your fingers to 0. Okay, and we're going to roll out to 10. With one more each time being rolled out. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 10 wriggly fingers, look. You've got 10 wriggly fingers too. Yeah, well done. Right, so we've got 10 fingers. Now, when we were rolling out our numbers, we were finding one more each time. So it started with 0, which is none, and we rolled out one more each time. Now, in this song that we're learning today, it's very much like songs we've sung in the past where you take one away, which makes it one less each time. Okay, so when we take something away, one away, it makes it one less. So that's changing every time as we sing. You're going to help me sing it. Maybe we'll learn it first and then you can have a go as well yourself. Now, I thought it'd be fun to use different things today for our song. We can play with them as well. So at home, if you're at home, you can have lots of fun with different songs. You can make yourself a little pool of water like I've done. All I've used is my daughter's Barbie dream house. She's got a swimming pool and I've brought that in onto my table. And then I've put some little freezer bags over the top and it looks like the waves in the water. And then inside, I've put some numbers. Can you see the numbers? There's number. What's that number? 1. Well done. What's 1 more than 1? 2. Well done. What's 1 more than 2? 3. Well done. What's 1 more than 3? 4. Well done. What's 1 more than 4? 5. Brilliant. Well done, everybody. Right, so for this song, we need 5 little sharks. And then we need 1 big shark. Okay, so these are the waves. And inside here, we have some sharks. Do you know what these sharks are? You can make these. Go outside and collect some pebbles or stones. And all they are, these are out of my garden. They are pieces of slate, because I've got some slate on part of my garden. Pieces of slate, and I wrap them up in some tin foil. You could do this with your grown-ups maybe. And then, can you see that pointy bit at the top? Foil's great, as long as you're careful with it with your grown-ups, to just mould around something. You can mould it around, squeeze it with your fingertips, which is great for your finger muscles. So pinch, 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 and then make a pointy bit, because what do we know about sharks? The sharks live under the sea, and the sharks like to eat anything, really. They like to find anything to eat with their big, sharp teeth. Now, they also have a big, sharp fin on the top of them. So I thought I'd make one with my foil. Can you see? Whoosh. He's going over the waves. So we've got 1. Let's see how many I've got. 2. Oh, where's his fin gone? There's his fin. There's his fin. 2. There's another one. 3. Looks a bit funny, that one. Going in the water. 1's jumped in the water. 4. And another one. 5. Look at that. Had to go at making the shark fin. 5. Okay, so, oh, he's just dived in the water. Oh, they're all diving in the water. They love to dive. In my song they dive as well, so I'll just try and balance it there. Okay, now, this one, are you ready for this? This is the big shark. Are you ready? Look at that one. That's the big shark. He's got sharp teeth. I should have made it a bit more jagged down here. He's got big sharp teeth and a pointy fin, just like the sharks have under the sea. Okay, so if you haven't got any sharks, just use your fingers. So can you all get me 5? We all know we've got 5 fingers on one hand. So you can all get 5 fingers. If you hear a noise now, it's the rumblings from under the sea. It's not really, it's my fridge making a noise, but we can pretend, can't we? So this is the rumblings from under the sea, because there's all sorts of noises, apart from bubbles. Bloop, 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 bloop. So this is the rumblings from under the sea. Okay, so get your 5 little sharks. Here they are. And the song goes like this. 5 little sharks went diving one day over the waves and far away. The big shark said, snap, 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 snap. Oh no! He's eaten one. And only 4 little sharks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you see that, children? The big shark came and said snap, snap, snap and took one away. Oh no! How many does it leave us with? What's 1 less than 5? That's right, it's 4. Well done, you're very clever with your numbers, children. Right, let's put this big shark down there hiding. Are you ready? 4 little sharks went diving one day over the waves and far away. Big shark said, snap, 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 snap. Oh no. And only 3 little sharks came back. 1, 2, 3. So we've only got 3 left, children. Because remember, 1 less than 4 is 3. He took another one away. Ready? 3 little sharks went diving one day over the waves and far away. Big shark said, snap, 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 snap. Oh no, look. And only 2 little sharks came back. 1, 2. So only 2 left now, children. Get 2 fingers. 2 little sharks went diving one day over the waves and far away. Big shark said, snap, 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 snap. Oh no, he's eating it up. And only 1 little shark came back. So we only had 2, but then 1 less than 2 is 1. Because remember, he snap, snap, snapped him away. Oh dear. Right, 1 left. 1 little shark went diving one day over the waves and far away. Big shark said, snap, 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 snap. And no more sharks came diving back. So now the big shark had it all to himself. What's 1 less than 1 then? Yes, it's 0. 1 less than 1 is 0. And the big shark can go off diving, looking for some more treats. Children, what might he see under the sea? That's what we're learning this week. So can you go with your grown-ups, see if they can have a little look on their computer, maybe on their phone or something. Have a little look. What things live under the sea? I'll give you some ideas before you go. I'll give you a clue. They might see something that has possibly 5 points and looks like something we see in the sky at night. What could it be? A starfish. They might see a starfish under the sea. What else might they see under the sea? It rhymes with dish. Yes, a fish. They might just see a fish. Lots of different fish. Actually, there's so many different fish. And what else might they see? This one has 8 tentacles. And it begins with octopus. Well done. What else might they see under the sea? It has pincers. Oh, there's a few things under the sea with pincers actually. And this one begins with k. And it rhymes with dab. Crab, dab. They rhyme. And something else that they might find under the sea. It's very big. It looks like a shark. It hasn't got big teeth like the shark. What could it be? And it rhymes with bail. Whale! Well done, whale, bail. What else might they see? This one I think squeaks a bit. It's grey. Looks a bit like a whale, only it's got a bit more of a rounded nose. And it begins with a duh. Dolphin! Yes, they might see a dolphin under the sea. I hope they don't eat the dolphins because I love dolphins. And there's something else under the sea that begins with a S. So we've already said starfish. That begins with a S. There's another sea creature. And it's a very unusual one actually. It looks a bit like a trumpet. It's called a seahorse. A seahorse. Seahorses are beautiful. They're amazing. They've got like a trumpety nose as well. They look very unusual. Oh, there's something else. It bubbles. Something else under the sea that rhymes with belly. And it begins with belly. Jellyfish. They might see a jellyfish under the sea as well. So there's a few ideas. You go and have a look with your grown-ups what you can see under the sea. They might get their little computers out for you and have a look with you. Okay, right, children, I've really enjoyed doing this song. I hope you can sing it at home with your grown-ups. Maybe make your own little sharks. Shall I show you what's inside my shark? I'm going to take these into nursery, maybe, and my little shrimps that are in, maybe they can have a little play with them. Look, it's just a piece of slate. Doesn't look like a shark now, does it? What do you think mine did? Yes, it did beforehand. So that's all you have to do. Wrap them in a little bit of tin foil until it looks like the shape of a shark with your grown-up. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Right, you have lots of fun with your grown-ups. Oh, before we go, shall we have a go at singing our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 song as well? That one we know from the nursery. Okay, last song before we go. I nearly forgot. So, get your fingers to 0. Are you ready? We go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Why did you let it go? Because it bit my finger so. Which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Ouch! I hope a real fish doesn't come along and bite my finger. Anyway, I hope you had lots of fun. You can sing that to your grown-ups because we've sung that one in nursery many, many times. It's one of our favourites. And we used to have a little fish out of our little nursery rhyme box, don't we, children? And it makes a squeaky noise as we sing, so we usually squeak it in time to the song as well. Right, you have a lovely time, and I will hopefully see you very soon. Have fun under the sea.